Welcome, student. Myself, Mutesh Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss the new topic of this subject, production technology. Today's topic is core, different kind of core, and core making machines. Okay. So first of all, I am going to discuss what is core. A core is a body made of refractory material which is set into the prepared mold before casting and pouring the molten metal. So we can say that when we want to make hollow cavity, then we can use a material, refractory material, which name says as core. So what are the good characteristics of a core? Core must have sufficient strength to retain its shape in both like dry and green strength, and other we can say the core must be permeable to permit the core gases to escape. That means the core should have a good properties like porosity. The core should be able to withstand with high temperature. Here we already use refractory material, which means it can sustain the higher temperature. So the core material should have the high refractiveness. This is the another property which we can say. The casting is provided with smooth surface finish if the surface of core is good. So now we will study this PPT. What is core? Core is an obstruction which when positioned in the mold, I already discussed, naturally does not permit the molten metal to fill up the space occupied by the core. In this way, core produces hollow casting. हम कह सकते हैं कि जब भी हमें कभी कोई हॉलो शेप बनानी है तो हम वहाँ पर कोर को यूज़ करेंगे कास्टिंग में. Now it is made of green sand. Green sand means which kind of sand is green sand? Which have some moisture contained. Which have some moisture contained. The core is normally dissoluble item. Core are placed in the mold and remain there during pouring phase of the sand casting process. We already discussed its property like permeability, porosity, refractiveness, etc. Now, for the hollow casting, core provide means forming the main internal cavities. In this systematic diagram, there is a core. You can see in this video. This is a core. There is a molding flask, which upper part we call cope and lower part we call drag, and in between parting या cheek core is installed. If I am going to produce a hollow cavity, then we use core may be inserted to achieve deep recesses in the casting. Now there are some different kind of core like horizontal core, vertical core, and balance core, etc. First one is horizontal core. What is horizontal core? This is the most common type of core. It is cylindrical type and laid horizontally in the mold. The ends of the core rest in the sheets provided by the core and permit the metal. You can see in this PPT what I am going to tell you. The core is placed horizontally, which is you can see in this shown figure. Here the core is located at horizontal position, and uniform sectional horizontal cores are generally placed at the parting line, we can say on the cheek face. A horizontal core very commonly used in foundry. Okay, so I hope you will understand what is the horizontal core. Now, next one is vertical core. What is vertical core? The core is placed vertically in the mold, usually top and bottom of the core, provided with a tape. Cut the amount of taper on the top is gate than at the bottom. So we can simply say that what is the vertical core? When the core is placed on the vertical position between the cope and drag. Here you can see this is a vertical core. A vertical core is named so because of its position. A horizontal core is supported in core seat, both hand. Okay. Now next one is hanging core. What is hanging core? Its name indicate hanging core because it hangs. It is also called cover core. It is used when the entire pattern is ramped. You can see in this given figure a hanging core has no support from the bottom. It is just like a cantilever. It is fixed at one end and other end is free. Hanging core can made up of either green or dry sand. We can say it is moisture contained or it is without moisture contained. A simple hanging core is one which is not supported any seat. We already talked about this. Now next is a balance core. The core is supported and balanced at one end only. It extends horizontally in the mold. It is similar to the horizontal core, but it is supported at one end only. The core print in such core should be large enough to give the proper bearing to the core. You can see here in some point a balance core is one which is supported at balance from its one end only. A balance core is used when the casting does not want to through the cavity. I hope you will understand all the different type of core. Now I am going to discuss core making procedure. There are some common steps we use, which are like core sand preparation, making the cores, baking the cores, finishing of core, and setting the cores. So first one is core sand preparation. In this step, we prepare core sand of desired type like dry or green, no bake, etc. and composition along the additive. Mix manually or using the Muller or suitable type, a Muller machine. Second step is making the core. Core are prepared manually using machining like jolt machine, sand slinger, etc. These are some common steps. You can see what is the procedure for making the core. A core box is similar to pattern, gives a suitable shape to the core. We already discussed about this in previous figure. Beak core may be reinforced with the steel wire or strengthened. In such case, if the core is so big, we use some reinforced material. This provide extra strength to the core. Next step is core baking. It means we bake out द कोर दैट मीन्स हमें जो भी हमारा मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है उसको हम इसमें ऑपरेट करा देंगे या इसको गर्म कर देंगे सुटेबल टेम्परेचर लाइक 200 to 450 degree Fahrenheit for few minutes. Last is core finishing. I hope you will understand by the helping this PPT video. For your better understanding, I am going to provide you some animated video in this PPT along with this PPT. If you have any issue and doubt, you can contact me or mail me. Thank you so much.
What are the types of cores? Consider a casting product where a hole is present. In order to understand how this hollow product is made with core, let's remove the pattern and place a sand core of shape identical to the desired hole in its cavity. So now, when the molten metal is poured in the cavity, the core prevents the metal from flowing into the volume being occupied by it. Thus, the molten metal fills the entire cavity, but not the region occupied by the core. Thus, core can be used to make holes or internal cavities in casting products. Thus, core is a sand object used to make holes, internal cavities or hollow projections in casting. The main characteristics of a core are: the different types of cores are: green sand cores, they are the cores that are obtained from the pattern in the molding process. Dry sand cores, they are the cores that are obtained from special core sands in a separate core box, baked and then finally kept in the mold before pouring of molten metal. Some of the types of dry sand cores are unbalanced core, balanced core, cover core, vertical core and drop core. Note that core also absorbs the heat released by the molten metal surrounding it. Related terms are